Here we are, cold downtown Salt Lake City.
Got our coffee.
Hanging out.
We are not nurses. We are not health professionals. No, way too crazy, Dave. No. But we want to make sure that we honor all of your credentialing because we do.
To 545 milligrams per deciliter on a keto diet with this patient with an over 4-to-1 unsaturated to saturated fat ratio. Hope you all have caught that. This patient actually consumes a more Mediterranean style diet.
The brain will tell the gut what to do sometimes. When you get stressed, you have to go to the bathroom, right? Different things like that. And then also the gut's gonna tell your brain what to do.
If you're not getting good sleep, you're gonna have some trouble. Whether it's gaining lean mass, whether it's fixing hormone issues, whatever it may be. Get as much sleep as you can. All right?
Insulin resistant as the day goes on. So if you feel better having a meal, later than an hour after waking up, and you maybe have a meal at 9 and maybe at 2.
So for me, I had gotten down to that weight thanks to this guy. Who knows who that is? That is Sean T. from Beachbody Insanity, right?
Thing that's becoming very popular, they see dollar signs and they're going to jump on it. And that's why when you go to the grocery now, there's keto bread, there's keto Twizzlers, there's keto cookies and candy bars.
You have all the vendors here. You got Nush, you got Keho, Redmond's, Keto Strong, Keto Chow, Keto Mojo. You got the dog, you got Brian, the great Brian. I'm here with the amazing Autumn. Autumn, tell them about what you are doing and your company here.
Yeah, so today I'm here with my t-shirt company, Keto Strong. Go to imketostrong.com
Right
or
there.
find us on Instagram. We let you wear your keto pride on your chest, right? Like we sell t-shirts and other custom apparel with all sorts of fun keto sayings. Some are just fun and some are really thought-provoking and are like, things that make you go,
Yeah, look at them, look at them.
I know, right?
For reading this, I am still keto. No, they're awesome. They're creative. The designs are great. So if they want to buy it, they go to imketostrong.com.
Yep, absolutely.
And you have a conference in October.
Yes, Keto Palooza is at the end of September, September 30th through October 2nd. Ben's gonna be there.
I'm gonna
and
be
we
there.
want to see you there too. It's in Louisville, Kentucky. Come join us, and I'll be on the stage in like 40 minutes. Ah!
You're gonna crush it. Thank you,
so
Autumn.
much.
Guess who's speaking today?
Today I am speaking about keto. And it's
Yes. Well, because you're just wearing your blazer.
The venue's right there.
But look at his outfit. Show us your outfit, Ben. Wow. Are you excited?
I'm excited and I'm grateful. Anytime I could lecture and share my work with people and inspire them, I'm grateful. And then I watch other speakers and your support. It's gonna be a great day.
Yay. And I'm here too. I'm here for moral support. We're walking over to the venue now.
Okay, we're walking to the venue. It's about a block away. I'm gonna be speaking this morning at 10 a.m. I'm gonna be lecturing on keto, the mitochondria, and much more. We've got our caffeine. Oh, you don't have yours? You finished yours?
No, but I left it in the room.
Anyways, stay tuned for some videos from the Keto Salt Lake event coming up. Day 2.
Get into these terms. Some people don't like the term clean versus dirty, but it helps be separated here. I interviewed 2 incredible people, Dr. Kay Shanahan and a gentleman named Brian Peskin. And we got into this topic here, smoking cigarettes versus vegetable oil. So Dr. Kay Shanahan, she was the nutritionist for the Los Angeles Lakers when Kobe Bryant was there. She introduced 90% of those thoughts are the same thoughts that we had yesterday. And they estimate that 85% of those thoughts are negative thoughts. what I learned this from Zig Ziglar, stinking thinking. And I got news. If your thinking is stinking, your dreams are shrinking. Sharing that first and foremost. The average cell has a few hundred to thousands of mitochondria in a single cell. And as I mentioned earlier, the cells that are really metabolically active, mostly needed for survival, brain, heart, ovaries, have the most mitochondria, from 50,000, 100,000 to over 2 million, certain parts of the brain. They're very small, there's little organelles. Some of the most surprising research that I came across when it came to the mitochondria is that there's only 2 antioxidants that actually can penetrate the mitochondrial membrane: glutathione and melatonin. When we think of melatonin as typically thoughts, then let's say you go back home, right, and you're sharing all this information with your friends, and they're like, hey, you're crazy. Keto thing, heart attacks, you're just gonna be like a good-looking corpse, right? Those are the comments people make. Well, you have 2 options. When you're aware of your thoughts, then you could take a moment, understand where they are in their journey, and you could respond. And when they're ready, that conversation could be great for them to enter your world. Or we could react and say, what are you talking, get into an argument with that person. And then we have a barrier there, and we can't make a difference for that person.
Going to feast. Going to feast.
Going for a walk now after our yummy dinner.
Feast. Sun's about to set.
It was so good, guys. I had a honey lavender infused polenta cake with salmon, out of this world. But yeah, we're gonna walk around. There's a really pretty cathedral that I saw that I want to go and look at because the architecture looks so beautiful. But it's a nice day out. Walking with my boo-boo.
I'm the boo-boo.
With a boo-boo. Oh, it smells nice in here. Ooh. Choo-choo.